Okay. All right, so just start again for sake of recording. Today we are looking at subtraction. We are looking at subtraction. Look at the word there, subtraction. This is subtraction. It's also
Subtraction.
all right. We're doing it for others who have not yet joined us. Subtraction. And we said to subtract is to take away. It is to take away. If I have to take away one, I remain with one. That is subtraction. So I said write down 2 take away 1 equals 1. Show me.
1.
Now show me. Let me see your work. Show me, Imani. You've written subtraction. I can say, very good. Well done, Imani. Well done. Let me see yours, Jeremy. Jeremy, let me see your work.
I think he's still writing.
Just 2. Take away 1. Where is it? Show me nicely. Jeremy, I didn't see anything. Show me nicely. 2 take away 1. Very good. Well done. Now, Kyle, let me see Kyle's work. Kyle, let me see your work. Kyle, are you nearby to show me your work? All right.
He's showing you, but you can't see.
Oh, he's showing me, but I can't see it. Okay. Yeah. All right. Good. Now look at this paper of mine. I've got flowers there. Are you looking at my paper?
Yes.
Yes. You see these flowers, these stars?
Yes.
Let's count them. Let's count.
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
7,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars. So today our subtraction sums, we want to use the word take away. Say take away.
Take away. Take
away. Look at my paper. Jeremy, let's focus there. Take away. Because that is the real thing we are doing. We are taking away when we are subtracting. So 8 take away 4. In order for you to take away, you need really, if it's written on a paper, then you cancel. You do what? You cancel. So there is 8 take away 4. Let me take away 4. Let me take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've canceled them. I've taken them away. You see that? So how many are remaining?
Yes.
Let's count how many are remaining.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 8 take away 4. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. Good.
4.
Yes. What is of importance is that word take away. I saw that when you were writing your sums, you were using this sign. You were using that sign. Yes, that sign means take away. But you should know the real word, which means take away. So today we want to use that word there. Take away. Can you write it down? Write it down. Take away. You see that word? Is it difficult? Not at all. Let's look at it again. Take away. Take away. Those 2 words. Write them down.
I'm done, ma'am.
You're done. Good. Let me see that. Take away. Very good. Good, Kyle. I've seen that, Kyle. Good. Imani, let me see yours. Jeremy, let me see yours. Take away. All right, maybe they're still writing there. All right, So that word take away there, it means you are subtracting. You are subtracting. So when you take away, you are subtracting. And if you have a diagram, you simply cross them out. You cross them out to show that you are subtracting. Cross them out. Like I had 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I crossed 1, 2, 3, 4. I've taken away 4. What is remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good. Now let's look at the second sum. You see that sum? Do you see
Yes.
that? Good. Now, what is my story there? Let's read my story. 10.
10. Take away 5.
Equals. Very good. 10 take away 5 equals. And then I've drawn 10. These are sweets there. You see my sweets there? 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Now you take away 5. How many will remain? Can you draw 10? Can you draw 10 small circles? Can you draw 10 circles? If you are done, raise up your hand. 10 circles. Let's welcome those who have entered our waiting room. Those who have entered the waiting room. We have Prudence. Yeah, grade 2. This is for grade 2. Prudence at grade 1. You want to come in? All right. All right. Do you have 10? Do you have your 10?
Yes.
Yes. Now I want us to take away 5. Can you take away 5? Take away 5. Take away 5. How many are remaining? What's your answer? 10 take away 5.
5.
Very good. The answer is 5. So did you cancel your 5?
Yes.
And you remained with how many? With 5.
5.
And then you write 10 take away 5 equals 5. All right. Okay. Welcome, Prudence. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, welcome. All right. So that is the sum. We're doing subtraction today. We are taking away, and we are using the word take away. We are using the word take away.
Take away.
Yes, so when we are taking away, we are removing, we are remaining with less. All right, good. Now, so we say 10 take away 5. You said you got your answer is what? Is
5.
very good. Now, let's look at another example. Now, let's count how many circles we have there. Let's count.
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, good. We have got 12 circles there, all right? 12 circles, and we are taking away how many? How many are we
10.
We are taking away 10. How many are we going to remain? Come on, let's draw. Draw 12 circles. 12 circles. Yes, you need somewhere to write, Prudence. Get a piece of paper there. 12 circles. And then
8,
take away 10. It's going to be fast.
Going 10.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You've taken away 10. How many are you remaining with? How many are? How many?
2.
Yes, you remain with only 2. Very good. Did we all get that answer? Did we all get that answer?
Yes.
Very good. So
Yes.
take away 10, we get an answer of 2. All right, good. So we use that word take away, remove. Now without assistance, can you do 15 take away 5? 15 take away 5. Let's go there, Imani. 15 take away 5. 15 take away 5. You draw your circles and then you take away 5. We said when we are taking away, then you are canceling. You cancel. You cancel when you are taking
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, Imani?
10.
You've got your answer. Tell us your answer.
But I didn't see how many circles are there inside.
Yes, your internet. 15. 15 take away 5.
Okay.
15 take away 5.
5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
The answer is 10. Excellent. That's it.
10.
The answer is
10.
good. So when we are subtracting, we can use
10.
the word take away. So take
Wait.
away means that you have objects and then you cancel the ones which you don't need in order for you to get your answer. Suppose I've got 10 bananas, someone takes away, just takes away 5 of them, and it means I remain with less. All right, we remain with only 5. That is subtraction. That is taking away. All right, very good. Now we want to use the sign. The sign. We know that sign? Do we know that sign? What does that mean? Minus. That sign means what? Minus. And
Minus.
and it still means the same thing, that you must take away. You still have to take away, but it's a short way of writing it because it's just a line there. So you're taking away. You are taking away using that line. So instead of using the long word take away, you can just use that sign. You can just use that sign. So that one means, then we say 10 minus 4. What do we say? Let's all go. 10. 10 minus
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4. So you are still taking away when you are working your sum. 10 minus 4. Now don't use the long word, just use the sign. Use the subtraction sign, the minus sign. Let's use it. 10 minus 4 and tell me the answer. What is your answer?
6, 7, 8, 10.
Others are still using fingers.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, what's your answer?
6.
It is 6. Excellent. Well done. So that sign still means take away. It means take away. Now do this one.
Wait.
20. Let me have 20 there. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10.
10. 1, 2,
20
3,
minus
4,
10.
5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. 10, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
What is your answer? 10. Easy, isn't it?
10.
Very good. So this is a way of subtracting. You can just take away what you don't need. So when you take away that word there, that means what? It means take away. You can take away by drawing and then cancelling what you don't need. That is one way of doing it. All right, very good. Now, let's use numbers. Let's use our number line. You have a number line? Number line, you can use a number line, you can use a ruler, or you can use a ruler. You have a ruler? If you get your ruler, all right. So when we were adding, we were going forward, forward, forward when we were adding. But when you are using now when we are subtracting, now it's the other way. We are going back because our numbers are getting less and less. So you count back. You count back. All right? You have good. I see your ruler. Everyone, your ruler up. Your ruler up. Very good. The others, let me see them. Kyle, let me see your ruler. Jeremy, Imani.
I don't have a
Let me
ruler.
see your rulers. Prudence, let me see your ruler. All right. So we can also use a ruler for subtracting. How can we use a ruler for subtracting? Okay, as I said, when we were adding, we were counting. We said when you add a ruler, you are jumping. You're jumping from one number to another. But now we are going back. We are going back. All right. Now put your finger on 10. Finger on 10. Put your finger on 10. Who is disappeared then? All right. Money, you're back. All right. So if you put your finger on 10, if I say count back, now you're counting going backwards. You're counting going backwards. All right. Good. So 10, count back 4. Put your finger on 10, and then you're counting 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is your answer? What's your answer? 6.
6.
Well done, well done, well done. That's counting back. Now put your finger on 13. Finger on 13. 13. We want to count back 9. Count back 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is your answer?
9. 4.
What's your answer?
4.
Very good. The one who said 4. Good. We're counting back. The number which you are pointing at is your answer. All right. So let's do again 13 minus 9. We say to go your answer 13, and then we are counting back 9. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see that now you are pointing at 4. You are pointing at 4. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. All right. Good. Now put your finger on, can you write this one down? 25. 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15.
What's your answer? 15.
15.
Well done. Well done. So that is how these sums are done. You simple, if you are using a ruler, you are simple counting back. You are counting back. So another word for subtraction is count back. So when you get a sum and it says count back 10, count back 5, you know that you can use a ruler and you are counting back. When you say take away, then you can draw whatever you have to draw there and cancel them. Always know that when we are taking away, our number becomes less and less every time. Don't make a mistake when you get subtraction and then you start adding. Oh, some of you, when it says 10 minus 5, you start getting 15. Because you have added, you have confused the subtraction sign with the addition sign. All right. So subtraction means minus, it means take away, and you can use that sign, and it means count back. It means what? Count back. All right.
Big.
All right. So the last sum, let's practice this one. 30 minus 5. Use your ruler or your counters, whichever method is good for you, is fast for you. 30 minus 5. Let's use the fastest. 30 minus 5. Put your ruler down so that you can work nicely. 30 minus 5.
30 minus 5.
What's your answer? It's very fast if you're using a ruler. Go to 30 and then you count back 5. What's your answer?
8.
No. Try again. 30. 30 is at the end. Only count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's your answer? What is your answer?
5.
It is what?
25.
Excellent. Excellent.
25.
25. Very good. If you use your ruler, it's very quick because where you end, that's where the answer is. All right. That's easy one. What is 15? Count back 5. 15, count back 5. 15, count back 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10.
Excellent. That is 10. Very good. So now when we are taking away things, they become less and less, and you subtract, you use the minus sign, you use the take away sign, and you can count back. All right. Okay. Homework will be following. For today, it will be take away and then the sign. And then we'll go on every day. For this week, we'll be doing subtraction sign. Remember to use your ruler or you can draw. So if you find the word take away, make sure that you are taking away. All right. Very good. I hope you enjoyed your lesson for today. Make sure when you hand in your homework, write your name as well. Write your name as well. Don't forget to write your name. All right. Let's say bye to each other. Bye, grade 2.
Bye.
Good. Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Bye.
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 Bye, PM.
Bye.
Bye, BA.
Bye, Jeremy.
Bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
everyone.